Sit down and breathe, Fulu. You are shaking so much. I cannot believe she just walked away from me like that. She made her choice to leave, so stop crying for her. She protected me for 6 months, Rofhiwa. It hurts to see her go. I am the one standing inside this house with you now.
I am just so terrified of what Rendani's family will do next.
Locking this door is the first step. I am here to protect you. I never stopped thinking about you while I was in Johannesburg.
I missed you too, but everything here is so complicated.
It is not complicated anymore. We don't have to hide.
Vhutshilo's heart is completely broken because of us, Rofhiwa. She was trying to keep us apart because she knew the truth.
The truth is I only love you. I always have. Then look at me, and let's forget about the rest of the village. The neighbor says Rofhiwa's white car is officially parked in the yard.
You walked away at the field, Vhutshilo. Let it go now.
Rofhiwa just moved into the house I spent 6 months guarding.
Fulufhelo made her choice when she let that girl inside.
Rofhiwa is a spoiled city fool who thinks money solves everything.
The problems of that homestead are no longer your burden, daughter.
I just hope her city arrogance doesn't end up costing them dearly. The problems of that homestead are no longer your burden, daughter.
You shouldn't have brought her inside this house tonight, Fulufhelo.
I came to make sure she's safe from Rendani's brother, Gugu.
You are a city child who does not understand our traditional laws.
My family has money to hire the best lawyers in Thohoyandou.
A lawyer cannot catch a brick thrown through the window at midnight.
I am not going to let those local thugs intimidate us.
Vhutshilo knew these dirt roads. You only know how to run away.
Why are you still here? You broke my heart. So why can't I delete you? I should hate you. But every memory before the pain was beautiful. If you called me right now, I would answer.
Why are you staring at it? Answer. I didn't expect her to call.
Well, she is calling now. Answer the phone, Wananga.
What if she just wants to say goodbye? Then hear it from her mouth. Or maybe she finally accepted reality. Stop it, Rofhiwa!
Hello?
Hello?
So she really moved in that quickly.
Vhutshilo?
The whole village is already talking.
It's not what people think I didn't answer to fight. Then why did you answer? Because despite everything, I still care about you.
Do you regret answering her call?
No?
Do you regret choosing me?
Never.
Even after all this drama? I chose you because I love you. And nobody can change that.
Nobody.
What about your heart? My heart stopped searching the day I found you.
You always know what to say.
I'm only telling the truth. Get some sleep, my love. Stay close, always.
Why couldn't you choose me, Fulu? I carried you when you couldn't stand. I sat beside your hospital bed every day.
I fought the whole village for you. Why does my heart still miss you?
Because love does not disappear overnight, my child.
And everything in your heart still belongs to her.
I thought leaving would make this easier, but every night feels worse. You chose her, Fulu, and I still can't stop loving you. I hate that I miss your voice. I hate that I keep checking my phone. And I hate that if you called me now, I would still answer.
Look at yourself, crying over somebody else's happiness. You need to let her go. But why does my heart refuse?
Vhutshilo? Child? Are you outside?
You didn't even eat breakfast. Where did you go so early? Please don't do something foolish because of heartbreak. That girl broke you completely. And now I don't know where to find you.
I'm Vhutshilo Hanga. That Fulufhelo lesbian has powerful muti. Maki, stop talking nonsense. Nonsense, look at the evidence. What evidence?
The boys went to prison because of her.
Eh?
The elders are now chasing her unborn baby. That's true. Yesterday, Vhutshilo left crying. We all saw that. Before the dust even settled, the Joburg girl arrived.
First boys were fighting over Fulufhelo. Now girls are fighting over her. Tomorrow the chief himself will probably fall in love with her.
That child really brings drama wherever she goes.
Drama? That is no longer drama, that is a spiritual gift.
You've been looking out that window all morning. I'm not looking for anyone. You're a terrible liar. This house just feels different. Because she's gone? Because it's too quiet. You finally have peace. No? What then? I miss her laughter. And what about me? This isn't a competition, Rofhiwa. Sometimes it feels like it is.
Did you see what happened at the soccer field yesterday?
Who didn't see it? One girl left crying and another one arrived in a fancy car.
Fulufhelo is dangerous. That girl is playing Premier League football with hearts. First, Vhutshilo was ready to fight the whole village for her, and now Rofhiwa crossed provinces for her. At this point, every girl in Limpopo will line up for a chance. Can you blame them? Honestly, Fulufhelo is beautiful. Beautiful? She's the reason half the village is stressed. And somehow she's still collecting girlfriends. La la.
If I looked like Fulufhelo, I would be causing problems too.
My mother would kill me if she found out I have a crush on Fulufhelo.
You have a crush on her? Look at her. I'm only human.
Your mother will think you're also a lesbian.
Exactly. That's why I'm taking this secret to my grave.
Careful. Next thing you'll be standing outside Gugu's gate too.
Please, the queue is already too long.
Poor Fulufhelo. Boys want her, girls want her, elders want her baby.
That woman has everyone losing their minds. Good morning, my people.
What do you want, Maki? Why do people always think I want something? Because you always do. Today I only came to check if the celebrity is still alive. Celebrity? Who else? You? What nonsense are you talking now? Hi, this child is powerful. Maki, first boys were fighting over her.
Watch your mouth.
Then the elders started chasing her baby. And now girls are fighting over her too. I'm telling you, she has muti.
She does not have muti.
Then explain all this drama.
Leave my gate before I use this cane.
Fine, fine. Go home, Maki. I'm going. But if another woman arrives looking for you, call me first.
She looked me in the eye and still refused. The court already made its decision. The court did not erase our blood. The child is not even born yet. The girl is frightened and angry. Angry or not, that child still carries our blood. The council will decide what happens next. Then the council must remember that Ndani sits in prison while we carry this shame alone.
This story is not finished.
Vhutshilo? What is she doing here? Ma? We need to talk. What happened?
My daughter hasn't stopped crying since she arrived home.
But that is not why I came. Then why are you here? Because Vhutshilo is missing. What? She left the house before sunrise.
No!
Nobody knows where she went.